On May 23, 2025, a Paris court concluded the legal proceedings in one of the most infamous celebrity robbery cases of the decade, the 2016 armed robbery involving Kim Kardashian. The incident occurred during Paris Fashion Week, when Kardashian was ambushed in her luxury apartment, tied up, held at gunpoint, and locked in a bathroom as thieves escaped with nearly $10 million in jewelry. One of the most valuable pieces taken was her $4 million engagement ring, which remains missing to this day. The court convicted 8 out of 10 men on trial, all linked to the crime. The group, often referred to in French media as the Grandpa Gang due to their ages, many in their late 50s to mid-70s, included several career criminals with previous records. These men were accused of meticulously planning the robbery and targeting Kardashian for her public display of wealth on social media. Aomer 8 Kadash, 69, who orchestrated the operation, was sentenced to 8 years in prison, with 5 years suspended. Because he already served time in pre-trial detention, he will not be returning to jail. The court took into consideration his health, age, cooperation with investigators, and his detailed confession when deciding the sentence. 3 other main suspects, Younes Abbas, Didier Dubrouk, and Marc-Alexandre Boyer, were handed 7-year sentences, also with 5 years suspended. They too will avoid further imprisonment. Abbas, in particular, has been vocal about the case in public, even writing a book about the heist and giving media interviews. He maintains he left the scene early and did not participate in confronting Kardashian directly. During the proceedings, a written testimony from Kardashian was shared with the court. She described the terrifying ordeal and how she feared for her life during the robbery. The event had a profound impact on her, prompting a major shift in how she lives her life and shares content online. Since the robbery, she has significantly increased her personal security and scaled back on displaying her wealth publicly. French law enforcement earned praise for their diligent work in tracking down the suspects. Through DNA evidence, phone data, and surveillance footage, investigators pieced together the case within months, eventually making arrests and retrieving some of the stolen jewelry. 2 of the 10 men were acquitted due to insufficient evidence. While prosecutors had called for stricter sentences, the court ultimately issued lighter penalties, influenced by the robbers' ages, health conditions, and cooperation. Defense lawyers emphasized that even